Assalamualaikum. In this video, we'll show you step by step in using the VIM text editor in Kali Linux. So the first thing that we want to create a new VIM file. So what we need to do is just type VIM and the title. For example, here we'll use the Linux tutorial. So we just created a file named Linux tutorial, and you are already into a VIM text editor. For your information, there are two types of mode, which is normal insert mode and the command mode. If you want to enter the command mode, just hit the escape button on your keyboard. Here you can use various types of command. For instance, set number. The number will pop up at the end of each right of each line. The most top line is the first line. Meanwhile, if you hit the I button, you can see at the bottom there is an insert instruction. So that means that we are now in the insert mode. We can insert some stuff in the lines. Let's get started by writing something in the first line. An example here, we will put this is the first line, and hit enter. Okay, for the next line, we put the code is live at the third line. And this is Linux at the fifth line. As you can see, the numbers appears every time you hit enter. So this means that we can track the number of line throughout the editor. Then hit escape to exit the insert mode. To save the file, just type :W. When you hit enter, the file will be saved. To quit the editor, you just need to type :Q. So now we are out of the text editor. So let's enter the text editor again by typing VIM Linux tutorial. Let's add another line, which is I am writing stuff here in the 7th line. Hit the escape button to enter into the command mode and type :WQ, which to save and exit at the same time. WQ here means write and quit. Let's enter the text editor again. Meanwhile, to quit without saving any changes, type :Q. For example, let's write example on the last line, and then we quit the VIM. Okay, get back into the VIM again, and you can see that we wrote just now is not safe.
Now let's try to delete some lines or any particular line that we want. So in our case, let's pretend that we want to delete line number 7, which is I am writing stuff here. In command mode, type DD and it will delete the current line. Now you can see that the line is deleted. And if you want to undo your action, just type U and it will undo your action. Meanwhile, to redo, just hit Ctrl plus R button and it will redo your actions. Moving on to the next learning, which is to search a specific word. Now let's add a few more lines here, such as hello world at the 10th line. This is my uni life at the 12th line, and this is my life at the 14th line. Now, to search for the word life in command mode, we need to type / plus word that we want to search for, and then hit the enter button. So in our case, we need to type /life. The cursor will point out the word life that we search for. But then if you want it to search for the next word life, just type N and it will point out the next word life throughout the command lines. To point out the previous one, just hit Shift plus N. Next, to search and replace all words, just type %s/ your old text / your new text. As an example, we want to change the word life to Usim. Just type %s/ life / Usim / G, and it will change all the word life to the word Usim. G here means breed, so it will change all automatically without asking. This is some of basic that we can learn on how we can use VIM text editor. I hope it will become benefit to all of us. Thank you for watching.